If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I'm always looking for tools that boost productivity and help with my creative workflow. Today, I'm checking out something special that is making a huge difference in my teaching and video editing journey. The Wacom Intuos tablet. So, what's this thing all about? The Wacom Intuos tablet is a graphics tablet with pressure-sensitive, cordless, battery-free pen. It is designed to give you a natural feel of pen on paper in the digital world. And the best part is that it is incredibly easy to set up and use. Let us talk about the features that really stands out about this. First up is the pressure sensitivity. You can draw with 2048 pressure levels. This means everything feels so much precise and natural, especially when you're illustrating or editing. Whether you're sketching a diagram for your next class, like me, or editing a scene for YouTube video, the accuracy of this tablet is amazing. So, who is this for? If you're a teacher like me, this tablet is perfect for creating engaging visuals for online lessons. I love how easy it is to annotate presentations, create diagrams, and even take handwritten notes that automatically convert into text in some other apps I use. Perfect for brainstorming sessions or organizing your ideas. Imagine doing a diagram with this on Microsoft Whiteboard. It smoothly converts to digital text, helping you visualize your thoughts. When it comes to video editing, this tablet takes precision to the next level. Instead of using a regular mouse, I can draw and edit with pinpoint accuracy. This makes trimming clips, adjusting colors, fine-tuning transitions a breeze. What inspired me to actually get this is that I saw a colleague using it in the office and I asked them, he's a UI UX designer. So if you're a UX designer, this might actually be a right one for you. And I asked them about it and he recommended it. I love him. Thanks, Andy, for the recommendation. Just pick it up and start navigating your desktop. It is that simple. I only map it to one monitor in my setup and it's been a breeze. Now, even if you're just getting started with digital arts, design or video editing, this tablet is for you also. It's super easy to get the hang of. You don't need any special software to start. Just download the drivers and you're good to go. Plug in via USB and you're fine. For students, it is also a game changer for note-taking and classwork. The pressure-sensitive pen feels so familiar, like using regular pen or pencil. For someone like me, yes, I sometimes do paper writing, but I mostly do digital. My phone is connected with a pen, my tablet connected with a pen, my computer is now also penned up. Overall, whether you're a teacher, student, artist, video editor, the Wacom Intuos tablet is a must-have for boosting your productivity and unlocking creativity. It's lightweight, easy to use, and packed with features that make it perfect for digital learning, content creation, and editing. So if you're looking to start up your teaching, note-taking, and video editing game, grab your own. This is one tool that you won't regret having in your kit. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy creating!